just want to show you guys these clippers real quick. It was a while back. We were like, and I know I haven't did a review on this. I probably won't. You know what I'm saying? Because I could just tell you right now, these are cool, but for the price, no. If it's $220, $250, the price I paid for them, I don't know. I wouldn't pay that much for them, but for about $160, $180, if they came out $180, I would say cop it. You know what I mean? I like the crunch that it makes when you line it up. They do hit. You do gotta adjust them. But are they better than the FX? No, no. So that's my ultimate review right then and there. But I just really wanted to show you these right here because these is kind of clean. I will be cutting in the video that you're about to see, so stay tuned.
Wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy.
Alright you guys, so before you actually start cutting anybody with waves, what you want to do is take the comb and comb the hair out first. That way you lift the hair off the scalp. That way it makes it a lot easier for the hair to feed into the teeth of the blade. So my client wanted a 2 on top, so I went ahead and grabbed my 2 guard with the lever closed, using my Andis cordless masters, and I'm just going with the grain, staying away from his crown area at first. All right, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open the lever when I get close to his crown. That way you could keep his crown thicker, because when you cut everything the same, the crown area seems to get cut a lot lower. So we want waves in that area, so I always like to keep that area a lot thicker. That way we could go back on a woof journey and you know, define that crown area.
Wavy, wavy, brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy. Wavy, 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 wavy.
So after you're done, you want to brush the hair back down to lay everything down. Also, this puts your client at ease to let him know that you're brushing in the right direction.
Wavy.
So my client wanted a high taper, so I'm going to take my Andis cordless GTX to set in my bald line. I'm going to do it in a slight rainbow-like shape and make sure that it's neat as possible. Now, I know you guys are going to be like, hey, Jeezy, why are you using the GTXs to do in the bald line? Listen, I got 2. Okay, I got 2. You can use the lever close on a clipper if you want to, but me, I like using my trimmers.
Wavy.
Now going back with my Andis cordless masters with the lever fully open, using my corners, I'm setting in the next guideline, and I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure that I brush down and make sure that I go over the guideline multiple times to make sure that it's at that length.
Wavy, 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 brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy.
So for anyone that doesn't know how to fade a beard, whatever I do to the top, I do to the bottom. It's just all about blending down.
Hair looking so wavy, wavy.
Next guideline I'm going to set in is the 1 guard open. Going up about the same width, making sure again that I brush the hair down and go over the guideline multiple times so it's at that length.
Wavy.
Now with the 2 guard with the lever open, I'm just clearing out that bulk on top, making sure everything runs smoothly into the number 2 that I have on top.
Wavy.
Putting on my 0 guard with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that middle line. Notice how I'm using my corners the entire time. I'm not using the full blade because I don't want to take off too much on that other side of that blade, especially if I'm not paying attention.
Wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy.
Now with the lever closed and the flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Remember to use your corners at all times.
Wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy. Wavy.
So the keys to a perfect blend is detailing, all right? How well you can detail. Some tips that I can give you on how to detail is rest your eyes. You know, give your eyes something else to look at for a minute and then come back to it. But the ultimate tip that I can give you that can save you a lot of time is just to refer to the mirror. All right, the mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you wouldn't normally see just head on. So make sure you point to what you see by looking in the mirror and debulk those areas by using your corners.
Wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy. Wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy. 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 Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, 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 wavy. Brushing my hair looking so wavy, wavy. 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 Wavy.
Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360.
Brushing my hair looking so wavy.
Damn, son.
We take it easy. Wavy.
YouTube, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother. He does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Otherwise, if you guys want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.